So guys, I thought I will just share with you a sad news plus a happy news together. I finished my uh, protein just now. So the happy news is like I'm gonna open the new one right now in front of you. So I'm happy I got it. Okay, so this is like unboxing protein, and this is chocolate. I really like it. I was not a big fan of chocolate before, but situations made me like chocolate a lot. So I'm gonna take like one scoop. Oh, it's like a lot. This is like 35 grams per scoop. I'm hungry. Let me have it.